I've had so many comments and questions about how to correctly put on a wig, so I'm going to show you. Before I put it on, I'm going to quickly review for you. Now this is Jon Renau Aurora in the color Shaded Mocha. Now I want to show you this wig has an extended lace front. This is the most fragile part of your wig, is your lace front. Don't pull on it, don't stretch it when you wash it, don't rub it. You've got to be extremely careful. If you stretch this lace, it's not going to lie flat on your head. It'll easily tear. You have to be careful with your lace front. Okay, so what you're going to do, this is the back, of course, with the tag. You're going to put your hands, your fingers on either side of that tag. The wig is hanging down, and then you're going to lower your head down into it, and as I say, just dive into it. Pull it down over, all the way over your occipital bone to the bottom of the nape of your neck. Pull it down there. Now, use the ear tabs right here to adjust it. Let me show you. See how I can pull it up and adjust it by using the ear tabs. You don't want to pull on it. Again, you don't want to pull on your lace. Now, the rule of thumb. Now, this is different for everyone, but they say 4 fingers from your brow to the top is where your wig should sit. That's a rule of thumb. It's not true for everyone. I have a big forehead. I have like a 5 head here. I have a big forehead. So 4 fingers is good. Some people have a very short forehead, so it won't be the same. But what you need to do is have your lace front sitting right at your hairline. You don't want your hairline showing. You want your lace front there. Put your lace front right there. And then make sure your ear tabs are straight. Make sure they are straight across. The back is down against your nape of your neck, and that is the correct way to apply it. When you get ready to take it off, same process. Grab the ear tabs and lift it off. Be very careful with that lace. Now I'm going to show you a wig that does not have a lace front. Always use a wide tooth comb on all of your wigs. Make sure you use a wide tooth comb when you comb through them. You want to be careful. You don't want to stretch the fibers. You don't want to tear the fibers. Be very careful. Here's the inside. This is my Noriko Alva, and the color I believe is sugarcane rooted on this one. This has a little bang on this one. But as you see, there is no lace front here. These are more budget friendly than the ones that have lace fronts. These are good places to start. If you're new to wigs, it's a good place to start if with something that does not have lace, just to get your feet on the ground. So we're going to put it on the same way. There's the back. Putting my fingers on both sides just like this and dive in. Pulling it all the way over. Now, this is not right, right? Use your ear tabs. Secure it where right. And now, I don't have a lace front here, but I do have some cute bangs. Ear tabs are straight. Make sure your ear tabs are straight. And what I have here is just some basic water. I always just use a little water, and I'll spray my wig, run my hands through it, piece it out a little bit, give it some movement here. This one's been sitting in the bodice quite a while, so I want to wake up the fibers. Don't be afraid. Get your hands in your wigs. Pull out these fibers. This wig has a lot of permatease. If you're not familiar with permatease, it is, think of it, remember when you back comb your hair and you get some tease up there? That's what permatease is. It is permanent tease. It is all in this wig. Some people love it like me. I love it because I love big hair. But if you don't like that, you want to look for something that does not. The one I showed you previously has 0 permatease. It is a very low density wig. This has a lot. It has the built-in volume. I love them both. It's a cute style. Again, in my opinion, this is a great place to start if you're new to wigs and you want to get used to wearing them. This is good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, just leave them.